No pots, no pans, no problem. String steak. So this is going to be a short backyard demo of cooking with string, which the youngsters find great fun, even the older youngsters like me. But also I've got some content that I want to put up with diving in it, and while I was making it, I tried to think of how many subscribers I had that did scuba or were interested in scuba, and I could only think of three. It was MD Outdoors, Bluegill, and the Kentucky Woodsman. But I know that there are others out there. So if you're watching this video, just leave a comment and put scuba by it, so I get some idea of how many are out there, because you know, the diving is another side of the Scoutforlife life. So I want to put something up on the weekend. Anyway, here's string steak. Timber hitch. Wind it up, let it go. Oh my God. Smoky and delicious. Fantastic. Delish. So, string. That was jute. You shouldn't use the tarred jute or the tarred hemp. Make sure there's no, chemical treatment on it. can get tarred hemp, I know, in the garden stores and things like that. Don't use that. Don't use anything synthetic like polypropylene or any of those other things, terylene. It's got to be natural fibre. Can use wire. I wouldn't use copper wire. Stainless wire if you could get it. Steel wire, but you've got to be careful it's not galvanised, so burn the galvanising off of it first, because that's zinc. You don't want that. I wouldn't use copper or galvanised. Yeah, but anyway, give it a shot. It's great. Cool. Doesn't have to be steak either. You could do any meat like that. When you hear the parrots, they fly over here when the sun goes down, as the sun goes down. I don't think I'm ever going to have it any other way. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.